Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the railroad. Today we're going to work on the wall rebuild and try to finish the first section of it. Let's get over there and see what we can get done.
Well, if you've watched parts 1 and 2 of this video series, you've seen what we've had to deal with the old railroad ties, taking them out one at a time, discarding them, and then putting in a new concrete footing, and then stacking the blocks, pouring cement, and we're finally to the last step, putting on caps and getting it cleaned up and ready to put the railroad back together.
All right, so we have a little work to do here. A couple of these have come loose since I originally put these in. So I went ahead and removed some of the mortar, cleaned them up a little bit. We're going to use liquid nails as a replacement for mortar. Okay, and we'll continue right on along. Give you a little better view of it. I'll move you down a little bit. As you can see, I've cemented in every other one, so let's take a good look at that. Cemented in every other one here, so you've got a solid base all the way down to the blocks, and there are rebars in there holding that into the ground.
And so this is the completed section up to here. Now, this was the original section that I did over 30 years ago. And then we started adding the railroad ties. So this will be the next section that we work on over the year.
trying to replace all this. Presently, I'm leaving these steps in until we get more of the railroad ties pulled out, and I can build more steps out of concrete. Now, once we come beyond these steps, these railroad ties are going to stay in the ground, and the concrete blocks will be outside of them. I will take off this flower pot. So that's where we're at so far. So I think it's about time we go run some trains. What do you think? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you down the rails. God bless.